Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to export your active sessions on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. If you've ever wanted to see or save details of the devices currently logged into your account, this process makes it really easy and secure. So, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's up and running, look at the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines, often called the menu button. Click on that to reveal your main navigation menu. From here, move down and select Settings. This is where most of the customization and account control options sit. Inside the Settings panel, scroll down until you find Advanced. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is where the important part happens. Within the Advanced settings, scroll down until you locate the option titled Export Telegram Data. This tool allows you to create a file with specific information about your account. Once you're inside the Export menu, you'll see several options for the kind of data you can save. Since we only want to export the list of your currently active sessions, make sure you check only the option for active sessions. Leave everything else blank to keep the file simple and focused. Now click on Export. Telegram will process the request and prepare a secure file for you. Depending on your account activity and the speed of your device, this might take a few moments. When the export finishes, you'll see an option to show my data. Go ahead and click on it, and the data will open up so you can review it. Inside, you'll find detailed information about all the devices that are currently logged into your Telegram account. And that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've exported your active sessions, giving you an easy way to keep track of where your account is being used. This is a great habit for improving your account security and staying aware of your logins. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to follow for more step-by-step tutorials like this one.